People say that there are many ways to make money online. If you think that this is just a hyperbole, well, think again. There are truly numerous ways to make money online, and this fact is evidenced by the considerable profits that online entrepreneurs reap simply from deploying firm web-based business models. Although not all businesses are able to find success, there are enough examples to prove that online business can be successful. Some of the common ways to earn income online include selling services or products, building a marketplace online, blogging, and collecting advertising profits. If you are looking for ways to make money online, here are 6 that you can consider. Before watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. 1. Focus on a product/service niche. Affiliate marketing can help entrepreneurs and companies sell anything under the sun, from clothing, electronics, cell phones, and jewelry to web services and e-books. Choose the area that you are accustomed to or one that you are passionate to learn about. You will, however, be expected to do more work prior to getting the money that you want. 2. Sponsorship advertising on a content site. Although it can sometimes be challenging to look for sponsors, it can be quite fulfilling to get one. Your sponsors can help you get some extra dollars each month in advertising. You can do this by directly approaching companies online that you consider excellent targets for your readership. You can send emails and ask if they would like to place an advertisement banner on your site for a monthly fee. Banner revenue can be a reliable source of income as long as you continue to do whatever is needed to maintain and create a readership. One good thing about sponsorship advertisement is that it will not replace your primary stream of income. It can work as a passive income stream while you continue to do other things. 3. Affiliate site content. There are actually 2 main approaches that you can choose when setting up an affiliate marketing site. Resource sites, these are focused on providing many how-to posts and articles, and then give banner ads or affiliate links that a reader can click for further information. Regularly supplementing new relevant content is important because it offers readers a reason to go back to your site, and click any money-making link found in your content. Review sites. After trying the products on your site, it's time that you write about them and rate your experience to help your audience decide which product to buy. For every product that you review, place a banner ad or link that directs to the site of your merchant partner. Occasional updates to your content are essential. You simply need to tweak your website once in a while to inform the search engines that your site is still working. 4. Discover products/services to promote. A lot of affiliate networks can help link merchants with the affiliate site publishers that can help them sell their products. Depending on your niche, there are many affiliate site publishers that you can take advantage of. You just need to discover the product or services that you need to promote. 5. Grasp the ropes in forums. Forums are at every corner of the cyberspace. These are communities online where people who have similar thoughts and interests exchange views and insights. There are many affiliate marketing forums that are free. Simply join in at least one of them to benefit from the pieces of advice being shared by newbies and experts alike. 6. Placing ads on your platform. Your traffic grows together with your audience. You can make money from this by putting ads on your platform. It takes a lot of traffic to constantly make money from these ads, but they can be part of a broad monetization strategy. Who says that making money online is hard? Well, maybe for the faint-hearted. If you are equipped with the knowledge of how to make money online, then you have nothing to worry about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.